Hello everyone, this is Omar Najam with 13 Days, 13 Shorts. I am so excited that you are submitting this year to 13 Days, 13 Shorts. Now, because we are no longer on Tumblr, there are a few additional steps to make sure that you can put up your submissions, but it's not very complicated. Here are the time codes if you want to skip to a specific moment in the video, but until then, let's just go ahead and walk through how to submit to 13 Days, 13 Shorts. So, I am the owner of our Wix website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to invite you to be a blog writer. I'm going to type in your email, and you will receive an invitation to join the Wix blog site. Now, you can either be a blog editor, which means you can edit other people's posts, or a blog writer. For the purposes of 13 Days, 13 Shorts, you will be a blog writer. I will go ahead and send the invite, and that will go off through the internet to your email. This is my email inbox. Hi, Kelly. You're going to go ahead and click on the invitation from Wix, scroll down to accept now, click on that. It's going to take you to another button that you have to accept, and this will take you to your blog dashboard. Welcome to 13 Days, 13 Shorts. The first thing I want you to do is to go to your account at the top right and click on account settings. We're going to do this before we do any posts. You're going to put your first name as you would like it to appear on the website, and you're going to put your last name as you would like it to appear on the website. You're also going to put a profile picture. This doesn't always show up on the blogs, but I'm going to say let's be safe and do it, but also keep in mind it's not super important. There's your login info and your social logins if you want to use them. Just don't use Facebook, it's evil. And go ahead and click on email preferences. I want you to turn off all of these email preferences. That's because I don't want you getting annoying emails from Wix about their products. So once those are all turned off, scroll back up, make sure that your first name, your last name, and your profile image look good, and head back to your site dashboard. All right, now that you're here, you're going to be able to create a post. Click Create New Post, and put in your catchy title. Fall leaves. Let's say it's a poem. Great. Then you're going to enter your content. So this is a poem. Let's write a quick poem. I watched as the leaves fell to the ground from the tree. Wow, that was actually pretty good. All right, there we go. The next thing we want to do once we're done with our content is go to settings. Click on settings, and that's going to allow you to add a cover image that will show up on the blog. I am going to go ahead and head to Google Images, and let's go ahead and find a nice picture of some fall leaves that we're going to be able to use. Go ahead and type in fall leaves, if I can learn how to type that right. Scroll down. Oh, that one looks good. Now, of course, if I was not doing this in a tutorial, I would find an image that I could properly credit to the original artist. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just blast through this. All right, I'm going to hit Add Image. I am going to then enter the Media Manager. We're going to hit Upload Media. I'm going to upload from my computer. There it is, that beautiful leaf picture. Once it is uploaded, we are going to select it, and then we're going to add to page. And just like that, we have a cover image. Now, next there's post date. Don't worry about this. It's not actually scheduling when it's going to be published, so just for the sake of now, don't worry about it. What we are going to worry about is our excerpt. So I'm going to put the first 2 lines of my poem. Now, I want comments on my posts, so I'm going to keep that enabled. But if you don't want to, you can just go ahead and take that off. Head over to categories. On 13 Days, 13 Shorts, when it's active, I will have categories available for us. But for now, go ahead and go to tags, and you can add any tags you would like. I recommend doing the theme and possibly what the content is. So people want to search poems, they can do that, and they can search leaves and anything else. If there's anything you don't see in there, you can type in a completely fresh tag. Now, we're going to go to that little caret, and we are going to now schedule the post. This is where we can schedule it. You can decide what date's going to go up. Since this is fall leaves, we're going to choose the 19th. And let's say we want to upload it at 8 a.m. There we go. Now, I will be uploading the banners for every day at midnight Los Angeles time. So if you want to be one of the first to post, go ahead and change that schedule time to 12:01 a.m. There you go, just like that, and you'll be set. Similarly, you can decide to have your post go up at, 6:01 p.m. You can also decide to have it go up on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. Any day you decide is when you can schedule it. If you want to see your scheduled posts, all you got to do is just hit that schedule tab, and there it is in all of its full glory. From there, you can do a bunch of options. You can preview the post, you can duplicate it. Let's go ahead and preview, see how this looks. Wow, look at that content. Remember how I said the profile pictures don't show up? Yeah, that's still figuring that out. But you can still edit your post while it is scheduled, which is a very nice, cool thing. Let's say you want your post to get published immediately though. Go up to publish and click that little caret and hit publish now. And it is live on the site. In fact, let's head over to the way that I see Wix so we can see how it looks currently on the website that is not yet published to the public. Look at that. Oh my gosh, our cover image is there. Our poem is there. See that little preview of the first 2 lines? Magnificent. We've done it. All right, let's head back to your Wix page and talk about the different content that you can upload for your blog posts. There are a bunch of different things that you can upload. So let's say you want to post a picture, for example. Fall leaves picture, just the one. And our content will explain it. My picture of fall leaves. Great. We're going to go ahead and click on that little camera. We're going to go ahead and upload media. And since I already have a picture of fall leaves, I'll just select that one, add to page, and there we go. Resizing is really easy in Wix. You just drag those 2 dots. There's also a few options. You can do small, you can do medium, you can do a large image, or you can do a 1-to-1 ratio. I prefer the dots personally. You can also choose your alignment on the actual page itself. So you can center your image, you can have it go to the left, you can have it go to the right. There's also some adjustments that you can do by clicking those little dots. There you go. You can crop, you can enhance, you can adjust, you can even drop on some filters and some text. It's completely up to you. In settings, there's a very, very cool option. You can add a caption. You can also add alt text for those who might benefit from it. I highly, highly recommend using alt text. You can also make it a link to something you want or replace the image or even delete it, which we'll do right now. Let's say you want to upload multiple pictures for your post. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and say this is pictures and my pictures of fall leaves. We're gonna click on that second icon, which is a gallery. We're gonna select a couple of images that we have already uploaded and we're gonna add them to page. Look at this, we've got a little layout. We can also choose which layout we would like to have our images appear through. So you can do a collage, you can do a collection of thumbnails, you can do a slideshow so people can sort of watch that go by. You can always, of course, adjust these settings in the settings tab and play around with that as you go. Look at this, slider. That's a fun one. Yeah, we'll try that out. Play with that as you wish. Let's say you want to upload a video that you took. Ooh, that's exciting, fall leaves video. And let's go and adjust this, even though I know it doesn't really matter, but we're gonna go ahead and click on the video. There are 2 options. You can upload or you can post a link. Let's find a link to a video that's 13 Days, 13 Shorts related. How about the announcement video for a few years back? Put in the link, hit add, and there we are. Easy as pumpkin pie. But we want to upload a video? Click upload video. Click on the video you want, like this year's theme announcement, and there it is, instantly available to us. Now let's say you want to add audio or music. That's a little more complicated because you can't just add a file, unfortunately. What you need to do is you need to go to an external sound provider, like SoundCloud. I'm going to go ahead and upload a file to SoundCloud right now, which is a piece of music I wrote for the 50 States project. I'm going to go ahead and change the title of this, 13 Days Test. That's a pretty good title for right now. I'm going to upload a cover image for SoundCloud, so let's do the 13 Days Jack-o'-lantern. And let's add a description, just a test. Great. Now my track is available on SoundCloud. There's that link, but you don't want that link. No. You want to go to your track. And when you go to your track, you want to hit share. You want to go to embed, and you want to copy that text right there. Head back to Wix, click on HTML code, go ahead and post that there, or paste, it depends on how you pronounce it. You're gonna hit save, and it's available. Now people will be able to hit play and listen to your audio. Now there are a couple of ways to adjust how your SoundCloud embedded audio appears in the player. You can change the play button color, for example. So that's a cool little feature. That's a fun little thing right there. You can also enable automatic play so that the audio will play when people open your blog post. You can also change the size of your player, which is kind of a fun thing. We can do this, we can do this. Wow, look at that. That is a big ol' embedded player. And you can also change the format of the player. I personally prefer this one. So let's go ahead and copy that code, head back to Wix. There we go. And let's go ahead and hit that edit button. Let's go and post or paste the new code. And suddenly we have my preferred embedded player. There are other options in SoundCloud, but those take like pro account level accessibility, which I don't have, so let's not worry about it. But for now, we've got this and I like it. It's a great way to share audio. Okay, let's review. You want to go to your account settings. You want to make sure that your first and your last name check out. You want to make sure that your profile image looks good. Scroll to the bottom. Facebook is evil. Click on Manage Preferences for emails. Make sure all of those are off so you don't get annoying emails. Head back. Here is where you're able to create posts. Go ahead and click Create New Post. Put in your title, test post. Put in your content. This is a test post. You can add a picture, you could add multiple pictures, you can add a video, or you can embed a SoundCloud player or a player from another external source. You can also add a file if you have like a document or something you want to link to. All right, then hit the caret and you want to schedule the post. You can decide when that goes live, and that's it. One last thing, let's say you accidentally delete a post. That's right, you move it to the trash. Getting it out of the trash is very easy. You just head to the trash and you click restore and suddenly it's back. That's it. That easy. All right. On this trash can end page, that is pretty much it. If you have any additional questions, go ahead and email me at 13days13shorts@gmail.com or hit me up at 13days13shorts on Twitter. This is so exciting and so wonderful. I am so excited that we have our own website. This is the coolest. And I also just want to say a huge thank you to everyone for participating this year. I cannot wait to see and hear and read everything all of you have come up with. This is so wonderful. This is such a great project, and I cannot thank you enough. I'll say it a million times. I don't know how to sign off for this. Just, have a great... Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it, gang. Also, I'm getting lots of texts. Who is this from? My family. All right, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.